What's up everyone, this is Shul aka Alt Crypto Gems, and today I'm posting a quick market update analyzing the most important charts and letting you know my targets and my stop losses right now. And let's see whether we're having a breakout or if it's simply a fake out. Now before we start, make sure to subscribe and to like the video. In the previous video we had 14 likes. Can we get more than 20 likes right now? Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, it's at altcryptogems, where I'm posting daily crypto content, my calls, my signals, and some personal stuff. So thanks for watching and let's get on with the video. Now to start, let's have a look at the Bitcoin volatility chart, which is this one right here. And what this shows is that the volatility was extremely low and we've now sort of bounced already. And what this says is usually when the volatility gets really low, we're having an insanely high pump or dump after the volatility has gone up a bit. If we're looking at the previous lows, we were at around this point in September 2018, and we actually hit that support of the volatility index. And as you can see, we've bounced perfectly. So right now the volatility is going up again. And the question is, when are we going to see the massive move? I'm expecting a same move real soon. Like I said, it's usually the thing that's happening after the volatility has been really low. But the question is, when are we going to see the volatility increase? We're seeing a small bounce right now. And if we're looking at the Bitcoin volatility index over here, we're seeing the same thing. The volatility has gone up and down quite a bit, but we're actually at a nearly an all-time low of 1.24%. Looking at this chart as well, as you can see, it's just going down, down, down. And the question is, when is it going to go back up? Because from that moment on, we're going to see some fireworks and we're going to go up or down real hard and real fast. Looking at the averages, you can see it's really low right now as well. The average of 6, 8, 4, 5%, while we're at 1.4%, 1.2%. So that's an important index to keep an eye on. Now, the next thing we want to have a look at is the 1 hour time frame chart. As you can see, we had the rectangle where I talked about previously, where we were consolidating between around 17K and the 16.4K for over 20 days, I believe, right now. Yeah, actually 24 days already. So the price action, like I said, the volatility was really low, so we haven't seen that much action going on. And right now, what's just happened is we've actually broken out. And the question is this a real breakout or a fake out? Because as you can see over here, we tried to break it. Over here, we tried to break, and over here, here and here, but we failed every time. And right now we actually broke through with a big green candle and are now sort of moving sideways. Right now, my target and my price that I'm watching will be at around the, I'd say, if we're zooming out, at around the 18K part right now. And the reason for that, if we zoom out a bit more, we're sitting at around this rectangle over here. As you can see, we tried it before. So this will be my target right now to have a more confirmed breakout, because this is just a small resistance that we've broken. But the question is, are we now going to move sideways and eventually go back down again? Or are we going to move sideways and eventually hit our first resistance over here and actually go up to the next rectangle to break? So right now, I'm opening a long and keeping my eyes on the 18K mark, because that's an important one to break. And when we do, or if we do, then I'd say we're having a more confirmed breakout. When we're dropping down again, I'd say we need to hold at least the 16K, so which we did before, at least down to definitely this area and this area. So around 16.4K. Those will be my targets to watch. Now, if we're looking at the 4 hour time frame, we're actually seeing the same thing right now. What we have is we had the symmetrical triangle and we actually broke out of it with the same green candle, of course. And what we're seeing over here is pretty much the same. Right now, we're sitting at a sort of soft resistance at around 17.3K. The question is, if we break it, are we going to move back up to the 18K mark, which as you can see in this chart is a bit more clear. Right now, this will be the part to watch. So that's around 18.1 to 18.3K. So right now, are we going to go sideways and eventually go up to this area, or are we going to fail and break down? Looking at the symmetrical triangle, we've actually broken out there as well, which is a good sign, but it's a matter of time and we need to see where we're going. Now, so like I said, I'm opening longs right now onto the 18K mark. If you want to start trading as well, as you can see, I've actually opened a long already. If you want to start swing trading, then go to Bybit. That's my preference right now. I've got the links in the description below and I'll pin a comment with my link. They're having insane deposit bonuses right now of more than 30K whenever you're depositing funds. So if you're interested, have a look there. Now, the final thing we're going to have a look at is the Bollinger Bands. And what this is it's showing the price action that's happening. And as you can see, we had a big price action happening before, but right now the price is so squeezed, which you can see at the blue lines. They're so tight, price action has gone down significantly. So like I said, it's only a matter of time before we're going to see a big move happening. And I'm either going to see a real big move back up towards the 18K mark, which was the previous resistance at around here, or we're going to go down and hopefully hold the support at around, well, let's say 15.5 till 16K at around here. So those would be my targets to watch right now. Like I said, I'm opening longs right now. If you want to start trading, go to Bybit using my links below. Get you the best amount of deposit bonuses, and keep an eye on the 18K mark. Hopefully we're going to hit that soon, but it's only a matter of time in my opinion. But if we don't, then let's hope we're going to hold the support at 16K, but only time can tell. Now, thanks a lot for watching. Once again, be sure to subscribe and like the video, and follow me on Twitter at altcryptogems for all the crypto content, daily crypto content, and more important social stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys at the next one.